Hi, welcome. My name's Crow. Welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums. I'm making a little video this morning and it's to accompany one of the listings that we have on our Etsy shop. It's for this drum just here. So it's a rather beautiful horse skin drum. It's on a 16-inch frame. If I turn it over, we've got a hazelwood branch handle and it's laced with the artificial sinew there. On the inside of the frame, I've burnt some information. I put my maker's mark in there, Driftwood Hollow Drums, but I've also put in here, birthed on the 5th of January 2023 in Knighton, Powys, UK. That's to enable you to look at the astrological aspects, find out what energies were around on the day when the drum was birthed. I've also put in there beech and horse, so horse skin and beechwood frame. So let's have a little play. I'm going to play with a firmer beater and a softer beater. Both give a slightly different sound, either one available to purchase alongside the drum. So hopefully you'll be able to discern the difference between the two. Let's have a little play. Gorgeous. And the softer beater, here we go. Gorgeous. Okay, well, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope it's helped to make a more informed decision when you come in to choose your drum online, which is always difficult. So that's why I make these little videos, to enable you to come and have a little listen. So I'm Crow, it's been Driftwood Hollow Drums. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.